Hello everyone, let's start solving today's Leetcode daily challenge question. So the question is construct smallest number from di string. So you are given a zero index string pattern of length n consisting of characters I meaning increasing and d meaning decreasing. A zero index string num of length n plus 1 is created using following conditions. So a num consists of digits 1 to 9 where each digit used at most once. If pattern of I is I, then nums of I is it should be less than nums of I plus 1. Num of I plus 1. Okay. And if the pattern I is D, that means num of I should be greater than num of I plus 1. That means if the pattern is I, that means the number should be increasing order, like the next number should be greater than the current number. And if the pattern is D, that means decreasing, so the current number should be greater than the next number. And we have to return the lexicographically smallest possible string num that meets the condition. So if we see this example, pattern is the size. If you see the size of pattern is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 8, but the answer is 9 size because as we have seen this current and next. So if my this is I, so this is my current and this is my next. So my current should be less than next. If this is I, my current should be less than next. For this, my current should be less than the next. Now for this D, my this current should be greater than next, so 5 and 4. And for all the digit it is in decreasing, so this is the lexicographically smallest number which we get. It start from 1, 2, 3, 4. And here you can see there are some other possible values like 2, 4, 5, 6, but lexicographically smallest will get this. And if you see this example, so 4, 3, 2, 1, and some possible values of number 9, 8, 7, these are also, but the lexicographically smallest is 4, 3, 2, 1, as all are the decreasing order. Okay, so how we will solve this question is, first thing is we want a lexicographical smallest number. And if you see the constraint here, you can see the pattern length can be from 1 to 8. That means our maximum, okay, so the our string can be like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so this will be our ideal string. And if my length is, let's say I got only the pattern length is 4, then I will consider these 4 and work with it. Because if I consider these 4, or if I consider these 4, uh, it will not work. It will, like, we'll get a string but will not get a lexicographically small string. So if we have a pattern size as 8, so all this we will consider and we can just reverse in between, right? So for example here, my at index 0, 1, 2, 3. At index 3 we have decreasing, so here 0, 1, 2, 3. At index 3 to plus 1 do, like, because as we want to there's only one D, so that is why we are doing the plus 1. So what we can do, 1, 2, 3, just reverse it. And again we have D at what? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So at 5. So this is my 5 fifth index until what? 6, 7, 7. And 7 plus 1 is 8. So basically 9, 8, 7, 6. We reverse. So we got this answer. It's just simple. Like for example, we have to reverse it. Or you can do one thing. Instead of considering the D, we can consider the I. If I got I will reverse it. If I got I will reverse it. If I got I will reverse it. If I got this I will reverse it. This too. Okay, so for example, let's see. We have this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, and what was my this string? I, D, I, D, D, D. Okay, so if I got I, so let's say I will consider one as my answer and one is, let's say, current. My current is 1, and if I am getting I, then I what I will do, I will append as its reverse, like 1. Now I will make current as empty string. Again if I get I 2, so I will do reverse and append here, and I will make this as empty. Now again the next is 3. I will as it is I, so I will reverse it 3. Okay, we are reversing the current, not the answer. Okay, so current we are reversing 3, the reverse of 3 is 3, and make it empty. Now I got 4, and it's not my, like, my this pattern of I is not I, so we will move to next. Now 5, I'll add 5, append 5. Now my pattern I get I, so what I'll do, I'll reverse this to 5 4 and append and make this string as empty. And one more condition, either it should be I or the last element. Okay, because here you can see the last is not I, so we have to consider that. So for next we will append 6 7 8 9, and at the end we'll get the last this, and again 9 8 7 6. So this will be our answer. You can see the same thing we are getting. So for example, if we are getting I, if we don't have this, then what happens is only this D and I, done. Like we'll get this as answer our, which is lexicographically smallest. So let's start coding. What we need to we are going to use the string builder. Okay, so instead of string we will use a string builder, because in string we the if we as we have to modify the string builder will be the best thing. Okay, so string builder one will be our answer is equal to new string builder, and the another string builder, let's say current, is equal to new string builder, new string builder. Okay, now what we will do for, let's take one int n as pattern. Okay, pattern dot length for int I is equal to 0, I less than or equal to n, I plus plus. Okay, so if my pattern dot length is 4, so from 0 to 4, like 0 1 2 3 4. Okay, yeah. Now what we will do is, we want to add that into our, so what we are saying, we will add it in current. Okay, so current dot append, what we will append is, as we are starting, as I said, this will be my thing, this thing. Okay, so we'll append 1 to from 1. So here I am getting 0, so what I will do, char of what, this I plus 1, so we'll get that character. Okay, and we will check if my what if my I is equal to n, or okay, or if my s dot char what yeah, pattern dot char at I, if it is equal to I, then what we are going to do, answer dot append current dot reverse, and current is equal to new string builder. Okay, and at the end we will be returning answer dot to string. So let me run this. What I'm doing here is I'm appending that answer, current dot reverse in answer, as I just discussed this 5 and 4. So what we are doing, if we are getting I, then we are just reversing. Why? Because see, if we get the consecutive I, there will be no effect. But in between we can get D's, right, which I want decreasing. So as I want it in decreasing, that is why I want to reverse it till that point. Okay. So let's submit this solution. Yes, you can say accepted. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you feel this video is helpful to you, please like this video, subscribe my channel, and stay updated. Thank you.